Finding investment opportunities doesn't always mean you're ready to place a trade. For example, you might not have enough cash, or you might want to test out a strategy first. In WebBroker, there are two ways to keep tabs on potential trades: watch lists and alerts. To find your watch lists, click the watch list icon in the top right hand corner of WebBroker. Each tab is a separate watch list, and you can have up to 10 lists, and each list can have up to 10 stocks in it. The quote tab is where you can view the most recent symbols you looked up or quickly pull up a quote. You can customize your watch list based on the data you want to see. Under the tracker view, you can place a practice trade without risking your money. For example, let's say you want to see how a trade on TD would perform. Click the quantity or average cost field, enter the number of shares you might buy, and the current price. This is a great way to test out different strategies risk-free. Another way to keep tabs on potential opportunities, even when you're not at a computer, is to create alerts. You can find your alerts in the research section of WebBroker. An alert is a notification sent to your email or smartphone when a stock meets a condition, like trading below $50, for example. You can base the condition for your alert on a number, like if a stock's price goes below $50, or an event, like if a news article is released. With tools like watchlists and alerts, you can save time and simplify how you track your favorite investments. Interested in learning more? We've got you covered. Check out our Intro to Fundamental Analysis course for more insights on how to evaluate companies.